Hi guys, I am Jayant. Welcome to my channel. As have you seen a thumbnail, I will discuss about how to create a free website with free domain and hosting. Come, let us start. Here it is one I have created using free hosting and domain. You may observe that, and also I got SSL certificate for this website. You can see that in a link section there will be a log symbol. Is it right? Yes, I got it for free. This video is for only beginners who are struggling to learn WordPress elements. With this, you can start learning WordPress. It just provides a simple server to host the website and it does not perform well for large amount of data. If you are thinking to start your own website or professional website, then I will suggest you hosting a platform which provides a server with unlimited SSL certificates and 100 plus domains, and also it provides more than 200 GB of SSD storage for second plan, etc. If you don't know the coding languages, then also you can easily work on it. It has a simpler steps to solve the errors. Okay, let us come to the content. Here I have created the website using profreehost.com platform, which provides unlimited free domains or unlimited websites, etc., with limited storage and certain conditions. If you are interested to learn how to host a website for free with profreehost.com, then you can ask me in the comment section. And also I will say how to take a free SSL certificate for the website using Zero SSL platform. Is it okay? Yeah. Here I have created a static website using Astra theme and its template. And also I am used edit with Elementor tool to edit the pages and post. Here you can see that I have added a logo for my website, Tech News. You may also see that I have created the pages like home page, which is a landing page of a website, and second one, blog page, where the posts are present, for example articles or videos, etc. Next one, it is about us page, where the people can know about our websites. And then privacy policy page, and lastly it is most important page. Wherever we will go to any websites, you will see that the content section to reach them. Is it right? Yes, this is the same. The people can reach us with their issues or they can suggest new things to us. And this is all about this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click a bell icon at the right corner to get new videos updated. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our video.